Hey guys, Coach Steve here, and we are finally back today. Today we're going to be talking about the front rack position of the front squat. So what we see a lot of times with beginners in the gym is that they're very uncomfortable getting to the front rack position. So it'll look something like this. They'll unrack the barbell, really uncomfortable. Traps are nice and tight, shoulder blades are retracted, leaving barely any room for a shelf, right? A lot of pressure on the wrist. And so a drill we like to do here with beginners to get that fixed is a straight arm front rack hold. So the idea is to get the beginner into the barbell like this, off the squat rack, into the neck. Both arms stretched, reached up like this, hands above the barbell. So they get the idea of relaxed traps and protract the shoulder blades, unrack the barbell. They're gonna walk back, and if need be, they're gonna hold this for about 10 seconds just to get comfortable here. Then afterwards, we're gonna get them to do a nice tempo squat, like so, with the hands staying above the barbell, down and up. Usually this will get the person past that discomfort and hopefully into a better front squat position. So give that a try, let us know what you think.